7 wood construction technologies that are game changers. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today, we're diving into the world of construction, but not just any construction. We're talking about cutting-edge wood technologies that are straight up changing the game. First up, we've got Ono Block, and let me tell you, these aren't your average building blocks. We're talking about a system so intuitive, so user-friendly, it's like building with giant Legos, but for grown-up construction projects. Imagine this. You're finally tackling that kitchen island renovation you've been putting off. But instead of wrestling with lumber and nails, you're piecing together prefabricated OSB blocks. That's Ono Block in a nutshell, ecological OSB blocks, designed for easy assembly, and here's the kicker, disassembly. That's right, these blocks are reusable. Need to reconfigure your space? No problem, just take it apart and rebuild. It's perfect for folks who love to change things up or renters who can't commit to permanent fixtures. But Ono Block isn't just about convenience, it's about versatility too. Those hollow spaces inside the blocks, prime real estate for running cables and pipes. Plus, you can paint them, cover them with drywall. The possibilities are endless. And for my audiophiles out there, Ono Block's got you covered. Want to boost the sound absorption? Just slap on a double layer of mastic or fill those hollow cavities with sand. Boom! Instant sound dampening. Now, there is one small caveat. Ono Block is designed for indoor use only. But hey, with all the incredible things you can do with it inside, who needs to go outside, right? Next up, we're tackling insulation, but not just any insulation. We're talking about Gutex Fiber Blow, a game-changing system that's taking the construction industry by storm. Imagine this. You're building a house, and instead of wrestling with bulky insulation bats, you're using a machine that blows in a seamless, consistent layer of wood fiber insulation. That's Gutex Fiber Blow, a system designed for maximum efficiency and performance. This stuff is the real deal, folks. We're talking about even settlement-proof insulation for roofs, walls, you name it. And the best part? It's made from sustainable wood fibers, primarily spruce and fir wood, so you can feel good about your environmental impact. But Gutex Fiber Blow isn't just about sustainability, it's about speed and precision. This system can blow in a whopping 12,200 kilograms of insulation per hour. And thanks to its special nozzles, even the most uniquely shaped elements are filled perfectly. Now I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but is it affordable? And the answer is a resounding yes. Gutex Fiber Blow is surprisingly cost-effective, especially when you factor in the long-term energy savings. So whether you're a seasoned builder or a DIY enthusiast, Gutex Fiber Blow is a game-changer that's worth checking out. It's time to ditch those itchy fiberglass bats and embrace the future of insulation. Get ready to say goodbye to hammers and nails because the Click trademark wall system is about to revolutionize the way we build walls. Imagine a world where constructing walls is as easy as snapping together Lego bricks. Well, that's precisely what Click trademark has achieved with its innovative, screwless connection system. We're talking about lightweight, cross-laminated timber, CLT panels, that seamlessly click and lock into place. No more struggling with screws, no more complicated framing, just a simple, intuitive system that anyone can master. But Click trademark isn't just about ease of use, it's about speed and efficiency. 2 people can install a staggering 100 square meters of panels in just 24 hours. That's right, you can literally build a house in a day. And because the system is so efficient, it's incredibly cost-effective. We're talking about potential savings of tens of thousands of dollars compared to traditional construction methods. But Click trademark doesn't stop there. They've even got a handy 3-dimensional design tool on their website, so you can plan out your entire project before you even pick up a panel. So if you're looking for a faster, more affordable, and more sustainable way to build, look no further than Click trademark. It's time to ditch those old-school methods and embrace the future of construction. Now let's talk about adding some visual flair to our builds, and for that, we turn to Marley Cedar Shingles. These aren't your average roof shingles. These are crafted from beautiful cedar wood, designed to weather the elements and age gracefully. Imagine your home adorned with shingles that tell a story, their colors subtly changing over time, adding character and charm with each passing season. That's the beauty of Marley Cedar Shingles. They transform your roof into a living, breathing work of art. But these shingles aren't just about aesthetics, they're built to last. With a lifespan of up to 50 years, they'll outlast most roofing materials out there. And the best part? They require minimal maintenance. Now, for those of you in more humid climates or areas prone to wood-loving insects, Marley offers specially treated shingles for added peace of mind. And when it comes to installation, It's as straightforward as using regular stainless steel nails. But here's the kicker. Marley cedar shingles are surprisingly affordable, especially considering their longevity and aesthetic appeal. So, if you're looking for a roofing solution that's both beautiful and sustainable, look no further than Marley cedar shingles. They're a testament to the timeless appeal of natural materials. Hold on to your tool belts, folks, because we're about to enter the world of Lancaster log cabins, where rustic charm meets modern luxury. Forget those cramped, flimsy cabins you're picturing. We're talking about spacious, meticulously crafted log homes designed to last a lifetime. Imagine escaping to your very own log cabin retreat, nestled in the heart of nature. Now, imagine that cabin boasting all the comforts of home's spacious living areas, fully equipped kitchens, even luxurious bathrooms. That's the Lancaster log cabin's difference. We're talking about sturdy, handcrafted log structures designed to withstand the test of time. And the best part? They're incredibly energy efficient, keeping you warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Lancaster Log Cabins offers a turnkey solution. Your cabin arrives fully assembled and ready to enjoy. Just imagine, one day you're dreaming of a log cabin getaway, and the next, you're sipping coffee on your porch, surrounded by nature. These cabins make fantastic rental properties, offering a unique vacation experience. So, whether you're dreaming of a peaceful retreat or a lucrative investment, Lancaster Log Cabins is worth checking out. It's time to ditch the concrete jungle and embrace the log life in style. We've all been there, staring at a blank wall, longing for a change but dreading a messy, time-consuming renovation. Fear no more, because Weekend Walls is here to rescue you. Imagine it's Friday night and you're itching for a weekend project. Instead of laundry, give those drab walls the makeover they deserve. With Weekend Walls, transform your space in a single weekend. Stunning, reclaimed wood planks add instant warmth and character, and they're incredibly easy to install. Forget messy glues or complicated framing systems. Weekend Walls panels click and lock together, creating a seamless surface. Trim them to size with a regular utility knife. It's that easy. Made from reclaimed wood, feel good about your environmental impact. Each box is surprisingly affordable, making this a budget-friendly upgrade. Ready to ditch boring walls? Embrace a fun, rewarding weekend project with Weekend Walls. Unleash your inner designer and transform your space one plank at a time. Finally, let's turn our attention upwards and talk about ceilings, often overlooked but oh so important when it comes to creating a stunning and functional space. And in the world of ceilings, 9 Wood reigns supreme, crafting innovative and visually stunning wooden ceiling systems that are changing the game. Imagine gazing up at a ceiling that's not just a flat, white expanse, but a work of art-rich, warm wood tones, intricate patterns, and a level of craftsmanship that's simply unmatched. That's the 9 Wood difference. But these ceilings aren't just about aesthetics. They're designed with functionality in mind. We're talking about easy-to-remove panels that make accessing wires, pipes, and other essential building systems a breeze. No more tearing down entire sections of the ceiling for routine maintenance. With 9 Wood's innovative hinge-down system, workers can access what they need quickly and easily, minimizing disruption and downtime. And for my fellow noise-conscious folks out there, 9 Wood has got you covered. Their ceilings boast impressive noise reduction capabilities, absorbing up to 95% of sound, perfect for creating a more peaceful and productive environment. So whether you're designing a sleek office space, a cozy restaurant, or a stunning home, 9 Wood has a ceiling solution that's sure to elevate your design to new heights. It's time to ditch those boring flat ceilings and embrace the beauty and functionality of 9 Wood. Well folks, there you have it. 7 wood construction technologies that are absolutely changing the game. These innovations are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with wood. So, the next time you're tackling a construction project, big or small, remember the power and versatility of these game-changing technologies. They're proof that building smarter, more sustainably, and more beautifully is well within reach. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the future of wood construction. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more exciting content. Until next time, stay curious and keep building. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on the latest in construction technology. See you next time.